Welcome back, guys. Now, I'm just going to show you how you can set up your Neoline wallet. So this will be on the Chrome extension. So you'll end up with your little icon next to your MetaMask icon. So it's very similar to MetaMask, to be honest, how it's an extension. So Neoline, it is neoline.io. You can translate it to English, or if you do neoline.o/en, you'll be greeted with the English site. So I'm sure this is a bit helpful for the majority of users who are using it. So it's a professional multi-wallet digital asset management platform. So it's a Neo wallet, and Neo X, which I'll show you how you can download the Neo X on it as well. So it's available through the App Store, Google Play, and Chrome. So it's widely available. So obviously I'm using Google. So it's very easy to do. You're going to download the Chrome extension. Now I've already got it now. So you just click download here and then follow the next steps and accept any changes to your computer. So that part's very straightforward. Now once you've downloaded it and got your wallet, you can open it. Now you can see you've got the N3 mainnet. I've put 5 gas in here, which I'll be sending to Neo X. I'll show you how you can do that. So N3, so that's your NEP11 assets. Now, if you want to make a Neo X wallet, and then you can also use a bridge function. So what you're going to do is you're going to click N3 mainnet, and now you've got Neo X EVM network. You can add a testnet as well, but Neo X mainnet is live, and if you're not uh, testing anything, there's no point for your testnet, but it is there, it's an option. So we're going to click Neo X mainnet and then just follow yes. Give it a name, so I'm going to call it Neo X. Proper, just so I can differentiate. So it's going to ask you for a reminder. So you should do this straight away. And then you're going to click yes. Don't take any screenshots and keep this safe. So I'm going to write this down and I'm going to put it on my mobile phone just for this. I will be deleting this wallet after, so don't get any ideas. So now it's going to ask you for your recovery phrase in order. So you're just going to type it in. So number 1 was kook. Number 2, vapor. Number 3, expose. It just takes a couple of seconds to do this. Number 5, spell. And it just ensures that you have written your keys down as well. So it's not, so maybe you have a new computer or your computer breaks. It's just a very secure way of recovering your keys and access to your wallet. So I do use this wallet quite a bit, the Neoline wallet. Also got the mobile version as well. Mushroom. I just hope I'm writing this down correctly. 2 more to go. So I like that one bag. We've got a big bag of Neo because why not? So hopefully they're all in the right order. I'm just going to confirm that. Okay, so now you can see I've got me Neo X wallet, and I did call it Neo X proper. And there's your receiving address, so your public key, and if you've got any NFTs and it'll show you your activity, you can use them as well. So that's pretty straightforward. So now we're gonna just send some. No, we're not. I was gonna say I'll send some gas across, but no, we're not sending it. We're bridging it. So let's get the wallet back up. So this is the Neo X address. So to do that, you're just gonna scroll back up here to this icon, and you're going to scroll down and select your Neo N3 address. Make sure you get the correct one, because I've also got a second account here. So just choose the one you want to swap with. So you can see I've got 5 gas there, and I'm going to bridge that to my Neo X address. And you can just select which address you want to send it there if you've got more than one. And this is just going to swap it within the wallet without actually using the Neo EVM bridge. So the amount of gas I want to send, I'll see if it'll let me send the 5. So it does, and it's going to take a 0.1 gas fee. Okay, so let's try max. So you can see if you click max, it's going to send as much as you can. And then there we go, we're just going to click yes. And it's depositing, so it's a really easy way of bridging from Neo N3 to Neo X within the wallet itself without using the EVM bridge. So you can see my transactions been deposited and it's just transferring. Just take a few seconds to do. So once that is done, you'll have access to the Carrot Swap exchange if you want to use it, and you can connect multiple wallets, and you can see you can use Neoline for that too. So let's just go back to our wallet, see how the transactions going on. Now you can see 1 block later it's reached our wallet, and then we can go ahead and do what we like to do on Neo X. I hope this video has been good for you guys. That's neoline.io.